I saw this setup, then I was like, I gotta see how it's gonna play. So since yesterday, I was like looking at this pair. I was like, okay, probably let's see how it's gonna play. So I'm gonna do a quick analysis of how I saw this pair NZD USD for those who are trading this pair. So in the weekly time frame, we see like NZD USD has been this tumbling to the downside. So I have this descending channel to the downside, creating low highs, low low, low highs, low low. Then so what I did, I went to the line graph, then I indicated my uh resistance levels. Then so you find price rejected here, here. So what do I, and then when you switch to the candlesticks, we're seeing prices totally respecting this level of this resistance level. So it acted as a support here after resistance, and price also currently came and test here. Then we see this massive doji candle here. So, but we saw broke of structure here after the pandemic. Then we're seeing this big move to the upside, right? Then when we break to the daily, we're seeing creation of high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows, high highs, high low, high high, high low. So structures is perfectly being maintained for to the uptrend, right? It's still maintaining an uptrend in the daily structure. So when you look here, so we see high 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 low, then high 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 low, then high 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 low. Then when you look here, structure is still being maintained, creating high highs, high lows. Then when you look here, we had this nice break of struck high high. Price came and test the previous high high as support. So this one was kind of like resistance, came and test as uh, support. Then we're seeing these nice rejections here, and price now is currently above the EMA. So we could see a push to this weekly target here, which is weekly resistance. So that's the anticipation. Then when I break down to the 4 time frame, when I look at the 4 time frame, I see, okay, we were in this consolidation level here after price tested the weekly, this area here. So we had like this price consolidating here, went to the upside, went and tested rejected this weekly resistance. Then we had this meltdown. So this was kind of like a fake out, but structure in the daily, you see structure is still perfectly like when you see like this red line. Let me put it more bold. You see like this red line. Uh, Technically here structure is still valid, meaning we had a rejection here. Price closed above the this support level, so price is above, and also it's above the EMA. So that's key. Then in a bigger time frame, we see structure still maintained. Then here in the 4 hour, you see this kind of consolidation, right? Then we had this structure here. This was kind of like a fake out. Then I was like, okay, what are we gonna see in the 1 hour time frame? So we had this one is like in 1 hour time frame. This one could be like, okay, we had a shift of momentum to downside, but you see price came and test the daily structure, maintain the daily structure, then came and test the second time. Then we see this massive break of structure, this structure here, this structure here, that that structure. So you see this move to the upside, then price is retracing right now. So key thing to watch is a slight pullback before targets to the upside. So you pull your fibs from this low to this high. What are we seeing? We're seeing perfectly. Price is respecting the 50% Fibonacci retracement. And when you look here, we see this liquidation level. We see price came here, reject. We see bounce from this level, bounce here, bounce. Then it came and test again and bounce. So we see like this. This is a huge area of liquidation. So have an eye on this level. And when you move this to the 30 minutes, what are we seeing? So we need, so for confirmation, we already see break of this structure in the 4 hour time frame, and the only thing we need is we already see rejection. Now we need to see a huge momentum to the upside. Maybe by tomorrow NFP or today there's news in US dollar, so you gotta check. We see nice big rejection here. We need to see a big pump to the upside. We need to see like thing reject break of this structure here in the M30, kind of like a small retracement. Then we're gonna see long opportunities to not too far, like test the weekly high, which is around here. So that's a key, and also it's aligned with the Fibonacci extension levels. So we're gonna look for long opportunities. Yeah. So nice trade. to the upside. That's my target. Then I'll be putting stop losses below the 61.8, or areas you see like this week's areas I'm gonna put way below, or you could also put below the 78.6. Very key, nice trade. So I wish you guys see this nice setup. Thank you.